Every runner needs shoes that look good and feel amazing underfoot. The right pair of trainers can keep your feet happy and pain-free. Think of it as an essential investment, such as a waist hydration pack. Running shoes that fit properly can keep blisters and sore arches from derailing your training. From speedy 5Ks to your first marathon, here are the best men's running shoes you can buy today. Juggling parenting and training. If you have infants or young kids at home, here are our favorite strollers for any terrain.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Hoka 11 Challenger AR6. A dynamic shoe for road and trail use. The Hoka 11 Challenger AR6, sold on Amazon and Road Runner Sports, is a highly versatile trainer. It's adaptable for your favorite surfaces, with broad zonal lugs for a secure grip on trails, and plenty of cushioning for the road. From rocks to sand and other obstacles, trail surfaces can be unpredictable. You need a secure midsole to keep your feet from sliding around. This Hoka trainer delivers, with a foam insert for stable footing. It hugs your feet as you navigate the trails, and also means more confident road runs. If you often run with orthotics, you may be pleasantly surprised by the interior. These trainers feature symmetrical cushion beds that support feet in essential places. There's enough padding underfoot so you won't feel sharp rocks and debris. Number 2. Nike Men's Air Zoom Pegasus 38. Some shoes are bouncier than others. If you want a snappier ride, consider the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38. Sold on Amazon and Road Runner Sports. It's more energetic than previous versions to keep you running strong. That extra energy is courtesy of lightweight and durable foam, which adds more cushioning to each step. As with most shoes, you can expect some changes with each version. The Pegasus 38 has a wider forefoot to keep your toes from getting squished. It's roomier but offers the same dependable fit. Midfoot webbing hugs your feet securely in place, so you can focus on crushing your goals. A neutral cruiser with a moderate amount of cushioning, the Pegasus 38 works well for daily training. Complete with a foam insole, it has a springy bounce that's ideal for forefoot runners. It's a comfortable choice for short and long runs. Number 3. Reebok ZigWild Trail 6. If you're not a fan of modern running shoe styles, rock a more classic look on the trails. The ZigWild Trail 6 trail shoes, available on Amazon and Reebok, have a distinctive zigzag design that stands out from the crowd. Complete with a blend of suede, leather and textile, the 90s vibe is strong. Don't be fooled by the retro look, as there's plenty of modern technology for maximum comfort and support. The energy absorbed by the outsoles is evenly dispersed from heel strike to toe off. That keeps each stride comfortable even on rough and rocky surfaces. From lush trails to mountain vistas, you can confidently venture down any path. Unlike road running, dirt and debris can be an issue on trails. Instead of the typical mesh upper on most road shoes, the Trail 6 has a textile upper. This makes it more durable, but can also mean it's not quite as breathable. Number 4. Asics Mens Gel Nimbus 24. If you're looking for a neutral trainer with maximum cushioning, check out the Asics Mens Gel Nimbus 24. Sold on Amazon and Road Runner Sports. It's built on the same foundation as its predecessors, but this version is even lighter. The total weight is just over 10 ounces. That's 10 grams less than the Nimbus 23, a difference that can be noticeable on longer runs. Equipped with front and rear impact absorption, the Gel Nimbus 24 is an ideal daily trainer. It has gel technology to absorb impacts from roads and paved trails, so you can keep going for longer distances. On the inside, an ortholite sock liner keeps each stride comfortable. Even on warm days, your feet won't overheat, thanks to an engineered mesh upper. It's breathable yet hugs the feet to keep them from sliding. The upper is also made from recycled materials for peace of mind. Number 5. ALTRA Men's AL0A547L Lone Peak 6. The ALTRA Men's AL0A547L Lone Peak 6. Even though it's not heavily cushioned, the Solar Glide 5 isn't a lightweight trainer. It weighs 13 ounces, which is quite a bit more than most trainers. However, it has an energetic midsole that puts a spring in your stride. The advantage of going with the Solar Glide 5 is that it easily transitions from workouts to your active lifestyle. There's plenty of support in padding to protect your feet throughout the day, even if you spend long hours standing. It features a cushy collar and tongue for maximum comfort. To reduce your eco footprint, the Solar Glide 5 has yarn in the upper that's made with a blend of ocean plastic and recycled polyester. Instead of polluting our oceans, the plastic is repurposed into an environmentally friendly running shoe. Number 6. Asics Mens Gel KNO28. Are you looking for a stability running shoe for medium arches? The heavily cushioned Gel KNO28, sold on Amazon and Road Runner Sports, supports overpronators and softens landings without slowing your stride. Compared to the previous version, the 28 has more energetic midsole cushioning. This gives you a more responsive and balanced feel. Many runners love the Gel series shoes for their soft and comfortable landings. The KNO28 has an improved gel shape to better cushion every step. From long-distance running and marathons to shorter runs, it cradles your feet without slowing you down. All that cushioning also protects your feet and joints on roads. Number 7. Brooks Ghost 14. As far as road running shoes go, it's hard to beat the overall value of the Brooks Ghost 14. That's why it's our favorite all-around road running shoe for men. It's not flashy, although it does come in several fun colors, yet is a proven workhorse for your active lifestyle. There's a moderate amount of cushioning for the support you need on short and long runs, but you can always add an insole for runners if you need more. The Ghost has been around for several years, with each year's model offering improvements over the last. For example, the Ghost 14 has improved loft cushioning for a softer and more responsive ride. A softer midsole ensures smooth transitions. Finally, a 3D print upper comfortably adjusts to fit your feet just right. It's an ideal combination of